Hello and welcome. I'm going to look at the Leaving Certificate exam for Ordinary Level Computer Science, Section C, Python paper in 2022. Open the program called 16A from your device. The source code is shown below and described briefly below. Of course, as always, you must put in your exam number in the comments at the top of the section. So you put in your exam number in line 2. The program above is to simulate an automated shop. The aim of this program is to accept the user's name, the name of the user, and then to ask them to choose what they would like to buy. The user selects the number of the item they wish to buy, and the program outputs a message confirming the item they choose. Number 1, insert a comment as appropriate to say user enters first name. So in the program, in a comment here, hashtag user enters first name, because this is the line here where the user enters in their first name. And always let the examiner know that you have answered part 1 and it's complete. Part 2, amend the program to ask for and accept the user's surname. Store the user's surname as a variable called surname. So you can see here what is your first name and then what is your surname. So here's first name, and we're going to set up surname. Input, what is your surname? And that is answer part 2. Part 3. Amend the program so that the user's first name and their surname are printed when they asked to select their names. The program is run, the output may look as follows. Hello, Mary Murphy is what's added in here. Please select your items from the list. So enter your first name, enter your surname, and then it says hello, first name, surname. So it says here, hello, first name. You're going to go, comma, surname. And that is the answer to part 3. So what you did there was added in the comma and the surname, which is this variable name here. And when you run it, what is your first name? What is your surname? And it says here, hello, Aoife Phelan. Okay? Question 4. Amend the program so that items 2 equals ruler, 3 equals pen appear in the shopping list under the item 1 equals to book. So here's your shopping list here. Print 1 equal to book. Print 2 equal to ruler and 3 equal to pen. Three equal to pen. And again, make sure and put in your comment. Answer to part IV. Part IV, and I hit run. So it runs. Hello, what is your first name? And if I put in Mary Murphy, it says hello Mary Murphy, and they're outputting here 1 equals book, 2 equals ruler, 3 equals pen. Enter the number of the item you would like. Amend the program so that the dashes appear above and below the available items. So available items is here. When the program runs, it may look like this. So you're adding in this line of dashes here and under pen as well. So here you're going to print like that. And again under pen. I'm just going to copy and paste it down. Answer to part 5. Answer to part 5, and I'm going to run it. Enter your first name, enter your surname, and then you have your items available. 1 equals book, 2 equals reader, 3 equals pen, and now we have the lines coming in under it. And it looks very like this here. It's part 5. Part 6, amend the program so that the correct message is printed if the user purchases a ruler or a pen. When the program is run, it may look as follows. Enter the number of item you bought. 2, you bought a ruler. So here we have if item equals 1, print you bought a book. Let's say elif shopping item, very same as this here, capital ITEM, equals 2, colon, print bought a ruler. Shopping item equals 3, colon, print you bought a pen. Run it. Mary, Murphy, items available, enter number of item you would like. I put in 2, you bought a ruler. I'm going to run it again. Mary, Murphy, enter the item you would like. I'm going to put in 3 this time, and it tells me you bought a pen. So that's working. So I'm going to put in here part 6. Answer to part 6. And number 7, amend the program to deal with invalid number entries. If the user enters any number other than the numbers 1, 2 or 3, they should be presented with an error message. When the program is running, may outlook as follows. Invalid choice, goodbye. So I'm going to say here, if you haven't entered 1, 2 or 3, then I'm going to say else. Anything else they enter, I'm going to print invalid choice, goodbye. So I run that, enter the item I would like. Say I put in 9, invalid choice, goodbye, and it's working. So that is the answer to part 7. And that is the 2022 Ordinary Level Computer Science paper. Thank you.